Alright, this is the 2004 Yamaha Kodiak 450. Yeah, I've done a lot of work with her, man. She's kind of dirty right now, so I do apologize. I'm in the process of getting her up and going. I do have the foot plastics, just don't have them on. I'll show you what she's doing. She's not really doing anything, that's the problem. But yeah, let me know what you think. Usually she actually clips, or my battery's probably almost dead. That's, I'm guessing why. See that? That's what it usually does. So yeah, for some reason this sumbitch won't turn on. So yeah, if you guys got any ideas, please comment. Let me know what y'all think. Any ideas, I don't really care if they're right, if they're wrong, just it gives me some options. But yeah, man, just shoot me some comments. Help me get this thing up and going. But yeah, there she is.